In this video I wanted to look in a bit more detail at achieving sustainable cultivation of sorghum, Volume 1, Genetics, Breeding and Production, which is edited by Professor Bill Rooney of Texas A&M University in the USA. Part 1 looks at genetic diversity and genomics of sorghum. Part 2 discusses developments in breeding techniques, whilst Part 3 looks at ways of improving sorghum production, including nutrition, water, pest, disease and weed management. Well, to give you a flavour of what the book contains, I'd like to look in a bit more detail at 3 chapters. The first of these is Chapter 5 on Advanced Technologies in Sorghum Breeding by Joseph Knoll of the USDA. This chapter reviews developments in marker-assisted and genomic selection, techniques to facilitate wide crosses to bring in new traits, as well as mutagenesis breeding. It also looks at emerging technologies such as doubled haploids, transgenic technology, genome editing, as well as developments in high-throughput phenotyping. The second and third chapters that I wanted to look at are from a team at Kansas State University and review the range of diseases that affect sorghum and how they can be managed. Chapter 15 surveys seedling, seed, panicle and foliar diseases, including smut and spot diseases, for example, whilst its companion chapter, Chapter 16, looks at stalk, root and other diseases, including rot, wilt and stripe diseases, for example. In each case, the chapter reviews what we know about the conditions causing the disease, the symptoms and the impact on crop yields. The chapters also assess ways of dealing with each of these diseases, from improving host resistance to disease management such as tillage, crop rotation and the use of fungicides. Well, I conclude, if I may, by quoting Professor John Leslie of Kansas State University, who has described both sorghum volumes as a comprehensive update on why do sorghum and how to do sorghum in both developed and developing countries. Well, I hope this video has planted a seed and that our sorghum volumes will help your research bloom.